Hi everyone, my name is Atira Alexander. I'm currently a special education teacher, and this is my first year at Stockton and my second graduate course. Oops, and I'm on the LTDC track. Um, I'm currently working at Charter Tech High School for the Performing Arts. I am the Title I teacher there, as well as a special education teacher, offering in-class support. And in my role, I also get to work one-on-one with students who are struggling academically, emotionally, struggling with things at home, and getting them the services and supports they need, whether they have an IEP or not. It's just support for anyone in the student body who we recognize needs it. So that's been a unique experience and a different role for me this year. We definitely have a talented group of artists, is what we call them. They get to have so many different experiences with different actors, actresses. They travel and get to show off their talents both at our school and outside of our school. So it's amazing to see that side of your students because most teachers don't. So I've been there about 2.5 years, and so far I'm really enjoying it. My undergrad was done at Eastern University in Pennsylvania. I have a BS in elementary and special education. It was an amazing 4 years there. I would definitely do it again, even though I'm still paying for it now. But it was an awesome time and an awesome school, and I'm glad I went. But also, you'll notice the date. I graduated in 2010, so it's been a while since I've been in school. So this has definitely been a stretch getting back into the habit of studying and taking classes again. After my undergrad, I did take some time traveling abroad to teach and just to enjoy life. I spent a year in South Korea teaching English as a foreign language at an elementary school, and then part of my student teaching was done in Las Palmas, Spain, as well as a self-contained classroom here in good old Jersey at the Yale School. So I definitely had some unique experiences that helped to make me a more well-rounded educator. These are some pictures of my amazing family. Right here, we've made it a tradition the last few years to go to New York City and brave the tourists and the traffic to see the Christmas tree. So this is my mom, my nephew, and my sister. Up here, you'll see most of my mom's side of the family. That's still not all of them. That's us at church one day. And down here, you'll see that I'm also a dog mom. So this is Patty right here in a little striped sweater. And this is Bentley up here looking ashamed because he was acting crazy when he saw Santa. So Patty's actually adopted from a shelter that I worked with or volunteered with while I was in South Korea. She was only 6 pounds when we first adopted her. Now she's gotten quite hefty. She's adjusted to her American diet. So she's fully integrated now. But they get along really well, and I love them. These are some more pictures of my friends and family. This is just some of the women on my dad's side. I come from a very large family. On his side alone, there's about 200 first and second cousins, so that just goes to show you how big and large the family is. Right down here is a picture of my awesome nephew, Jair. Sorry, got interrupted for a little bit. Yes, this is my nephew, Jair. And he's amazing, full of energy all the time, loves to dance. These women right here in the center are my 3 best friends. We've been friends since about junior high. So we definitely have a unique, long-lasting friendship, and they're certainly the people I call when I'm feeling overwhelmed with classwork, and they help talk me through it. And this right here is my dad. He is an Army veteran and a former swim instructor for the Atlantic City Board of Education. So he's taught hundreds of kids how to swim, and I'm very proud of that for him because he's awesome. Next slide. So I am very active at my church. I'm a part of the creative team, and that's what we just call the worship and media team combined. So this picture in the center is me on the worship team. Over here to the left is a picture of me this summer on a missions trip to the Amazon rainforest. We literally got on a boat and sailed down the Amazon in Peru to stop at different villages and minister and speak with different people and to give them supplies if they need it, play with the kids, just, pour into the community and provide whatever resources they were asking for. I was this picture over here on the side, sorry. is the gym I currently work at, Hometown Health and Fitness. I am a part-time personal trainer and Zumba instructor. I've taken a little hiatus from that right now because, work, school gets a little busy. So in order to focus on those things more, taking a step back, but I truly enjoy training. I did it full time when I was taking a little break from teaching and got my certification and everything just to learn about myself in a different way and to help people in a different way. And this is just another picture up top of my church family. So this is a little glimpse into who I am. I can't wait to see the other videos and presentations and meet everyone else in class. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.